That's why in Fungun Komba Utikama, light. Now, if you check very well here, it's William, it's Marion, it's Brenham. Now, listen very carefully. Marion, I think when you check it, it means better. Bitter. It means also bitter. I said to you, your character and your nature hides in your name. Thank you. That's why one day I'll make a turn. I think I'll take it for 3 weeks. I will teach you only about the lifestyle of William Branham. There's a book called My Life Story. Many people, when they read the book, they cry tears. Then you'll understand where did God take this man in order to preach the way he did. He did not have a luxurious life. But he had to make a choice. Did you know when God has given you a gift, he's duty bound to protect the gift in you. Begana bangani namama intombazana wayimitha bebabhema baphuza uthi I could never understand bengithi nangithatha cigarette ngithi ngiyabhema uthi bekuzumoya omkhulu and will take the cigarette away from you. Uthi I will ask myself uthi why is this happening? Angisho ufuna ufana njengaba abantwana noma teenagers. Uthi number 2 ipompi yamanzi, it's like they would stay here njengasekhaya thina we used to have a tap lapha hlala lapha sakha nasindini sakhupha umgodi. I know where we're coming from. So now what happened is like it distance is maybe from la kule kari mhlambe lapha egarage. I'm talking about your prophet now. Naba commands. But guess what? Every time when mother would send him to go, there was a voice you will hear from the tree. Etiguye, do not defile yourself in any manner, sexually, drinking or smoking, because when you grow, there's a great job that's set apart for you. Being a young man, you will throw the bucket and will run away. I think, mommy, there's somebody in the trees. By then, he was immature. He was a young man. He could not understand. And guess what? He was the only one that heard the voice, not the others. That's why God in Rabbi 10 and God speak to you. Voice, but when your voice is tuned in your ear to hear that message because it was sent for you. I don't know whether you get the point. That's why they say no, you are able to hear that which is not meant for them. So now what happened when you will come into the tree, it will say whoosh. Whoosh, until about Gandhi. Now is the funny part. Nagakula. God was so hard to Nagakula. There was a medium, a spiritualist. A what? But now I want you to understand. The spiritualist, understand that. Goodness nyanga nezangoma. As in a gift yokubona. Gift it's just that the devil twisted it. But the gift is there. Amen. It was a spiritualist. It was a medium. Something like a sangoma, something like that. Omuntu owabamba the hands of William and Branham. Wambamba like this. Let me show you. Wambamba like this. Let me tell you. Something like you're going to pay with your blood. God has called you for a divine purpose, and your life is not going to be easy. That's how he died in the car accident. But God confirmed with that woman is a spiritualist, and that woman was telling you the truth.